Chitariki kianda omutinyo gatano na kabere omwaka w'ekiri 2022 asengo kwarigania imeya amaya imeya Ndizi TV elinde ngomanye nara yenyareko bakago korekana koru chinsemo chinse chinga kitu atikaire amatuko emerongo etatu toso asobochorio bonene abo ase obomobwa azimio la umoja na boigo Kenya kwanza bagendete gutarira chinsemo chinse elinde kwene kibuna banyareko bakwenyorera obobui asobochori obonene bogocha chinsemo chiri chia YouTube na bagotonyora gwitira Ndizi TV News na boigo chinsemo chiri chia website na bagotonyora gwitira www.ndizitv.or Heritariane Frida Kerubo ngwira nande asege kegeke ngomanye nara inakwariganire Kingo chaka kegima omwanchi umurigerere nigongo chakera county ya Kisii abo ase oboteneneri boborendi bwanyareko abokoragwa no police commander oyomanyikante na Francis Kooli ase okwegeria abanyanyimbo chinga kichyo bagendete kuyarigania ase obochori bonene bole bosio aya nigo anyarako bakago korekana imeya Gusii Stadium
and our capacity to manage crowds at times when there is disorder or lawlessness, and as usual we police officers are supposed to be rehearsing and checking if there are gaps and to mitigate them immediately. And today we involve all the stakeholders. We did rehearsals with members of the fourth estate because we realize that their safety is key in terms of the procedures that are there when there is lawlessness, and how we can manage the crowd, and also the evacuation of VIPs. It is procedural for us. It's something that we normally practice at least when we are anticipating the situations where Kenyans break the law and not thinking of their safety. We know it's our mandate to ensure that their safety is provided and provide all the mechanisms in terms of assessing the exit strategies. If there are exits provided, the ambulances are there, and those providers of first aid. So we were checking on our capacity to providing safety to Kenyans who will be participating in political rallies or any rallies in terms of during this period of elections. So today was just rehearsals that we were conducting, including all those stakeholders who always find themselves covering the political parties' rallies. Unless there are more questions, that's what we were doing today.
Watigara ime county yo ya Kisii abanyanyimbo begeta sene kyanyanchwa wana nigo bamubekire byara omukagerwa oyomo oyo kageire gukora oboibi ase chinsemechyo hani gago chamagega yabamenye benseme yo kwemurungania ase gekegetambe abo barigeretie ebinto byarenge ase omukageri oyo kokorekana gose koibwa koru chinsemo nigo banyate kwa bakulika oroboti ase getasene kyabanyanyimbo ase chinsemechi kyanyanchwa abo ase abanyanyimbo banyate kwa bagotarera enyombe yo na kumubeka byara omusubati yomo na asabande banyate kwa bagotama okwana nabaliki bamangana asichinsemecho omusub county police commander Anthony Keter nigarure ogochika buna abayibi abomba chikobe kubyara abwase bagendete gukora obotuki omukagero yo nigakagire goikigwa bosibwe kegambero elinda kwa neki obwene bwinganeyo
na tukapata habari information ya kwamba iko suspects ambao wako na vitu kwa manyumba zao ambazo wako na vitu ya inashukia kwamba zimeibiwa si zao. Tukapanga mikakati na officers wangu kiongozwa na Deputy OCS hapa Nyanjwa Police Station. Kaenda kwa hizo manyumba kuangalia, tukapata hizo vitu ambazo tuna suspect ya kwamba zimeibiwa kwa hizo manyumba, na hizo bidhaa ziko hapa nje ya police station. na tunaamini ya kwamba zimeibiwa kweli kwa hizi manyumba. Malalamishi wale wanalalamika wamekuwa kiripoti kwetu. Tukaweza kupata mshukiwa moja na wengine wakatoroka.
Okongusana na nigo kogendete kuenekiwa egati ya obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance na boigo bolibwa Azimio la Umoja chinga kechiga toligereti obochori obanene nigo bono bakobori ningi barachi gutumika ase okoenekibuna ekero barachi gwaka chikura register ki erachi konyara ko bake gutumika hani gagocha magega ya obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja gukana unambali go chigutumika emitandao yekerero ase obwaki bwechikura gukwana nabaliki ba ngana oyore omo Senator Onandi yomanyikante na Samson Cheragei niganyare ko bagagosaba obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja gotiga ekiombegia IEBC kenyare ko bake gokora obochori bwabo asenchera endonge nabo igo kwerusana ni akorwa ase siasa onyambali go chigwancherana obotumiki bwe mitandao yekerero.
What shocks us is that the current government, where it is extension of Azimio, pushed us to pass the Huduma number bill in parliament. The PS in charge of Interior told us that he has all the details of Kenyans. He has all biometric information of Kenyans. Why is it hard now to transfer that biometric information, which was captured through Kenya Population and Housing Census of 2019? It was captured in the Huduma recruitment process. Why it is hard now when it comes to voting, you want us to go to manual? So we want to tell our brothers, the Azimio, if they are not ready for this election contest, let Azimio select another presidential candidate, allow Tinga to go home, get a new presidential candidate within Azimio arrangement and face off with William Ruto. Because we are tired. In 2017, they didn't want manual. Now, today, they are telling us you must have a manual. What they are forgetting is that before that register is printed, it is in digital form.
Gotigana na yo na gosika mutubono nigo omokonyi bo moraibense anyade ko bagakoba mochi abarwanereri abagendete guyakera ekoko chinsemo chingaki anyade ko bagakoba samamba basagutumika abasaye bobe ase ogoturubani omorembe chingaki chechi campaign chebo oigo niganyare ko bagakomochi obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja asogote babuna tibali go chigwanchera na gwaka chikura magega ye ekiombe getenerete obocholi ne chimbebe IBC gotebani buna nigo barachi gutumika emitandao yekerero ase ogwaka chikura bana nigo abaganiria abasaye gwetangane chiburaburu ekegera chiburaburu nigo chikonyara kwa chikuirania amagenderero magega.
Ni mapenzi ya Mungu sisi wote kuungana na kufanya kazi pamoja. Nyinyi mnajua mkiwa na Nakuru hii kumekuwa na attempts nyingi ya kujaribu kugawanya watu hapa Nakuru. Tunauziwa fitina, tunauziwa mambo ya uchochezi, kujaribu kuturudisha huko nyuma mahali tulitoka. Tulisema haturudi nyuma tena. We are marching forward to the unity of the nation. Hatuwezi kurudi nyuma mahali siasa ilikuwa inapiganisha watu, inagawanya watu, inalete shida, inamwaga damu. Good people of Nakuru, mimi, I want to give you my commitment. Siasa ya kupiganisha wananchi haitafanyika tena katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na Mungu atatusaidia. Hizi ndimi ya uchochezi, shetani ya kugawanya watu, the spirit of division that many are selling in our country, tutamuomba Mungu hiyo shetani ashindwe.
Abamenyi bekenyorogia Kandoru nigo baganirie obolindiko beku chinse ase chinsemecho hani gago chamagega yomubere bomorokia oyo mogotoka ase egesima abanyanyimbo nigo banyara ko bagoikerana ase chinsemecho abo ase bagania omo obotuki gokorekana nabo igokoira omubere ase enkendo.
Hapa kwa sababu kuna mama mmoja ambaye ni mwalimu wa Wakaniu Primary School amepatikana hapa kwa kisima akiwa amekufa. Sasa tumekuja kujua vile ataweza kutolewa, na ni jambo mbaya sana sababu hiyo ndio mwalimu ambaye amekuwa akifunza special class pale Wakaniu Primary School, na tumepata kama amekufa. Ameonekana na watoto kwa kisima, kwa hivyo hatuwezi jua aliingia hapa namna gani, ama ni kuanguka. Tuwezi kujua paka uchunguzi.
Amatuko abere magega y'umurikio manene bw'ikiombe gya Kupet Akelo Misori naboigo oli umurikio libw'ikiombe kya Nat Collins Oyugi watababuna aborokia banjeranire gusira obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wananigo abarai korwa chinsemo abanyareko abagwesokia na gutugutera ale enganeyo okwana nabaliki bamangana korwa ase orosagirwa Kericho nigo batebabuna tibanyate ko babagwanchara na kolende n'abarai babo banyate ko babako babetereri ase bataga neti gose bataye tuli bagali okoru amaoni yabo.
I would like to comment on the statements that were given that teachers of Kenya, both in North and Kupet, are supporting Azimio. Today I will say that contrary to that opinion, the teachers, the leaders of teachers, the National Governing Council was not consulted. We were supposed to have a meeting, decide on who we are going to support, that is, if the case be. The National Advisory Council were also not called and briefed on the same. We know that teachers have a democratic right to choose or to decide who to choose, whether Azimio, whether Kenya Kwanza, or any other outfit. But bringing them together and giving a general point that they are all in one particular party or supporting one particular presidential candidate, that one we are saying we are not part of it.
As teachers of these two counties and even Rift Valley as a whole, there has not been any meeting that has been called by our Secretary General so that we can come to one consensus as to who to support as the next President of the Republic of Kenya. We are saying the comments that were given by the two Secretary Generals were their own personal opinion.
Mwancho murigereria korwa ase orobotero nigo naikire omoerio bwa amaiya ase bire biga senchira yobwenye kulende chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona amange no yanyare ase senchira yobwenye yenda kubwatia emiroberio ere ime ya Ndizi TV News obuigana bwo obwansu obu mugusiri atariane Frida Kerubo.